Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your Motorola Moto G57 Power. So first we want to adjust the media and the call volume in the settings. So we're going to open up settings. Now here in the settings we want to go over and scroll to sound and vibration. Here, we're going to make sure that media and the call volume is adjusted up to the max. This is the most important thing here. If we have a low volume problem, we want to max out our settings. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the D&D. So let's scroll up here, up to the top. Here we have the D&D. Now this is do not disturb. Make sure that flip for D&D is disabled. And also check in your control center in the modes. Here you have a do not disturb. Make sure that do not disturb is off. And after that, what you guys want to do is make sure that you clean your speaker and the headphone port, depending on where you have a low volume problem. So if you got it from the speaker, make sure to clean the grills. If you got it from the headphone port, make sure to clean it, because if it's stuck with dust, dirt, or anything else, then it can block the connection and the 3.5mm jack just won't go all the way in, and that may basically be the answer to your questions. Now after that, what you guys want to do is restart your phone. So we're gonna press the power button and the volume up button. Now here we're gonna press restart, and the phone is now restarting instantly. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is go over and update your software. So this is as a last resort, of course. We're gonna go over to settings, and here in those settings we're gonna swipe down until we see the system updates. So there we go, here we have it. Let's go over, click check for updates, make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection for it, and everything looks good for me. I am on the latest software, Android version 16, and security patch from January, so it's really good. Now if there's a new update, make sure to update it. It's very important to keep your device up to date, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.